Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we are going to see the chapter Algebra. Now we see matrices. Matrices is the one of the part of algebra. Definition of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. The horizontal arrangements are called rows and vertical arrangements are called columns. For example, the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 and 2, that is row, and 1 and 3, that is column. Right. The general form of a matrix A is equal to Aij is equal to A11, A12 going on, A1j going on, A1n, then A21, A22 going on, A2j going on, A2n, and also AM1, then AM2, then MJ, and also AMN. That is general form of a matrix. Here order of matrix, that is A is order of M by N. And the format that is A is A base M by N. That is order of matrix A. Right. Types of matrices. Row matrix. It has only one row and any number of columns. That is, for example, A is equal to 1, 3. That is row matrix. Then column matrix. Next one, it has only one column and any number of rows. B is equal to 1, 3. Right. Next one, square matrix. That is, number of rows is equal to number of columns. Then A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is square matrix. Next one, diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix is the leading coefficient of the remaining elements 0 or 1, 5. Then 0, 0. Right. Next one, leading diagonals. For example, the leading diagonals, that is 1 and 4 is leading diagonal. That is A11, A22. In case 3 by 3 matrix appear 1, 3, 5, 2, 7, 9, 5, 6, 8, 10. Here leading diagonals are 1, 7, 10. That is A11, A22, A33. Right. Then diagonal matrix. Next one, scalar matrix. The scalar matrix is the diagonals of the same or leading diagonals. For example, A is equal to 1, 5, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 5, 0, then 0, 0, 5. That is scalar matrix. Next one, identity or unit matrix. Identity or unit matrix. In the leading diagonals, same value, that is 1. That is, for example, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The leading diagonal 1 and value identity or unit matrix. Next one, zero matrix or null matrix. That is A is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. That is null matrix or zero matrix. Next one, transpose of matrix. For example, The matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. That is A. Then transpose of A. That is transpose of matrix. Transpose of A is equal to the row column interchange பண்ணோம் 2, 3. Then second row column 5, 7. That is transpose of matrix. It has two types. First one upper triangular matrix, second one lower triangular matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 7, minus 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 7. Here, below the leading diagonal elements are 0. Below the leading diagonal elements are 0. That is called upper triangular matrix. Then lower triangular matrix. Here, above the leading diagonal elements are 0. That is lower triangular matrix. That's all. Now we see exercise 3.17. First sum. In the matrix A is equal to 8, 9, 4, 3. That is first row. Minus 1, root 7, root 3 by 2, 5. That is second row. 1, 4, 3, 0. That is third row. Then 6, 8, minus 11, 1. That is fourth row. Here first column is 8, minus 1, 1, 6. Second column 9, root 7, 4, 8. Then third column 4, root 3 by 2, 3, minus 11. And fourth column 3, 5, 0, 1. Write first subdivision the number of elements. Second subdivision the order of the matrix. Third one write the elements A22, A23, A24, A34, A43 and A44. Solution. First subdivision, that is the number of elements, that is total number of elements. Here number of rows is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of rows is equal to 4 and also number of columns. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. That also 4. Therefore, total number of elements is equal to 4 into 4, 16. That's all. Second subdivision. The order of the matrix, that is BC. A is order of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows, 4 columns. We know. So A is order of 4 by 4. Here M is equal to 4 and also M is equal to 4. Then A is order of M by N. Here M is 4, N also 4. That is 4 divided 4 by 4. Next one, third subdivision. A22, then A23, then A24, A24. Next one, A34. Next one, A43. Then A44. Here 8 is A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44. Here A22. So that is A22. So A21, A22. That is root 7. Next one A23, A21, A22, A23. That is root 3 divided by 2. Then A24, A21, 22, 23, 24. That is 5. Then next one A34, A31, 34 is equal to 0. Then A43, this is fourth row. Then third column, fourth row, third column minus 11. Then A44, fourth row, fourth column, that is 1. That's all. A22, second row, second column. So second row, second column, that is root 7. So A22 is equal to root 7. That's all. Next one, second sum. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 6 elements? First one, given a matrix has 18 elements. The possible orders are 1, 18, 2, 9, 1 row 18 column, 2 row 9 column, then 3 rows 6 column, and also then 18 rows 1 column, then 9 rows 2 columns, then 6 rows 3 columns. That's all. Next one, the possible order of 6 elements. The possible of 6 elements, that is 1 into 6, 1 row 6 columns, then 2 row 3 columns, then 6 rows 1 column, 3 rows 2 columns. That's all. One third sum. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by first subdivision Aij is equal to modulus I minus 2j. Second subdivision Aij is equal to I plus j the whole cube divided by 3. Solution. First subdivision, the general form of 3 by 3 matrix is, that is A is equal to Aij is equal to A11, A12, A13. First row, and A21, A22, A23. Second row, then A31, A32, A33. That is third row. Here 1, 2, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. That is 3 by 3 matrix. Here given Aij is equal to modulus I minus 2j. First element A11 is equal to modulus, here I is equal to 1 and also j is equal to 1. Then 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1 minus 2. We get modulus minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. Modulus nale positive value the 1, right? Then A12 modulus 1 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 1 minus 4. That is equal to modulus minus 3 is equal to 3. Next one, A13 is equal to modulus 1 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 1 modulus 1 minus 6 is equal to modulus minus 5, that is equal to 5. Then next second row, then A21, here I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1, modulus 2 minus 2 into 1, that is equal to modulus 2 minus 2, that is equal to modulus 0 is equal to 0. Then A22, that is equal to modulus 2 minus 2 into 2, that is equal to modulus 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. Modulus minus 2, we get plus 2. Next A23 is equal to modulus 2 minus 2 into 3, that is equal to modulus 2 minus 6, that is equal to modulus minus 4 we get plus 4. Next on third row, A31. A31 is equal to modulus I minus 2j. So 3 minus 2 into 1, that is equal to modulus 3 minus 2. We get modulus 1, that is equal to 1. Next A32, that is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 to 4. We get modulus minus 1, that is equal to 1. Then A33, then modulus 3 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 3 minus 6, that is equal to modulus minus 3, then plus 3. The general form of 3 by 3 matrix is equal to modulus A11 1 3 5, that is first row. 1 3 5, that is first row. Then 0 2 4, 0 2 4, that is second row. Then 1 1 3, that is third row. 1 1 3, that's all. That is 3 by 3 matrix. If A is equal to 5 4 3, then 1 minus 7 9, 3 8 2, then find the transpose of A. A is order of 3 by 3, so we get transpose of A also 3 by 3 matrix. Given A is equal to 5 4 3 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2, that is given. Then transpose of A, that is A transpose is equal to interchanging the rows and columns. Then 5 4 3, that is first row, interchanging first row into first column. 5 4 3, and also 1 minus 7 9, and also 3 8 2, that is transpose of A. That's all. Next one, fifth sum. If A is equal to root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5, then find the transpose of minus A. Very very important, transpose of minus A, not plus A. Given A is equal to root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3, then minus 5. Then that is given minus A, that is additive inverse of A. Here minus A, first step என்ன செய்யணும், additive inverse எடுத்துட்டு தான் transpose find out பண்ணணும். Because find the transpose of minus A ஓட transpose தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, right? Minus A is equal to minus root 7, அப்படியே opposite sign எடுத்தாலே okay. Then minus root 7 minus 3 so plus 3, then plus root 5, then minus 2, then minus root 3, then plus 5, that is minus A. Transpose of minus A, that is minus transpose of minus A is equal to, then first column row convert பண்ண போறோம். minus root 7 root 5, then minus root 3, then and also 3 minus 2 5, that's all. That is transpose of minus A. That's all. This is sum. If A is equal to 5 2 2 minus root 17 0.7 5 divided by 2 8 3 1, then verify that. Then verify A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. That is left hand side right hand side equal அப்படின்னு verify பண்ணனும். Given A is equal to 5 2 2 minus root 17 0.7, then 5 divided by 2, then 8 3 1, then A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. First step A transpose. First inside of the bracket find out pannom. A transpose. Then 5 2 2 interchanging first row into first column and also minus root 17 0.7 then 5 divided by 2 and also 8 3 1 that is transpose of A. Next one A transpose whole transpose is equal to that is my 5 minus root 17 8 interchanging first row into first column then 2 0.7 3 then 2 5 by 2 1 that is equal to A. Then 5 2 2 minus root 17 0.7 5 divided by 2 8 3 1 that is equal to A. Therefore A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. That's all. Left hand side right hand side equal. Hence it is proved or verified. Next one, seventh sum. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. First subdivision 12 3 x 5 is equal to y z 3 5. Order of left hand side matrix is 2 by 2. Then 1 2 2 rows 2 columns. Then 2 by 2 and also right hand side 2 by 2 matrix 1 2 1 2 2 by 2 matrix that is equal matrix. So the given matrices are equal, corresponding elements also equal. That's all. Here x is equal to 3. Here a11 a12 a21 a22 and also a11 a12 a21 a22 then corresponding elements are equal. So here a21 is equal to a21 so x is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 3. Then a11 is equal to a11 that is y is equal to 12 and also a12 is equal to a12 that is z is equal to 3. That's all. Next one, second subdivision x plus y 2 5 plus z x y is equal to 6 2 5 8. Here also the given matrices are equal. That means 1 1 2 2 rows 2 columns and also 2 rows 2 columns. So the given matrices are equal and the corresponding elements also equal. Here x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. That is equation number 1. Then 5 plus z is equal to 5. 5 plus z is equal to 5. Then xy is equal to 8. That is equation number 2. Right. Then 5 plus z is equal to 5. Then z is equal to 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 cancel. Therefore z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. Next one, x plus y is equal to 6. First equation. Then xy is equal to 8. Xy is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 divided by x because x into y. So x shift to right hand side we get 8 divided by x. Substituting y is equal to 8 by x in 1. Then x plus 8 by x is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 8 divided by x is equal to 6. Right. Here using cross multiplication x square plus 8 divided by x is equal to 6. Then x square plus 8 is equal to 6x because x square plus 8 x right side should be 6x. Here then x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. The factorize பண்ணும்பா factorize means the product of two factors are 8. The sum is minus 6. அதாவது ரெண்டு ஃபேக்டர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்றப்ப இந்த 8ங்கற வேல்யூ வரணும். இந்த அதே சேம் ஃபேக்டர் ஆட் பண்றப்ப minus 6 வரணும். Find out the factors. Then 4 2s are 8. That is possible. Minus 4 minus 2. Then minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Then minus 4 plus or minus 2 we get minus 6. Then divided by get variable x, so divided by x. X minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0. And also x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 comma 4. Minus 4 shift to right hand side plus 4. Minus 2 shift to right hand side plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 comma 4. Substituting x is equal to 2 comma 4 in 1. Then x is equal to x plus y is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 2. Then 2 plus y is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 6 minus 2. We get y is equal to 4. And also substituting x is equal to 4 in 1. Then 4 plus y is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 6 minus 4. We get y is equal to 2. That's all. Therefore x is equal to 2 comma 4. Then y is equal to 2 comma 4. And z is equal to 0. Then the values of x, y and z are 2 comma 4 comma 0 are, that's all. X is equal to 2 comma 4, y is equal to 2 comma 4, z is equal to 0. Next one, third solution. Then all of the matrices are equal because 1 2 3 by 1 column, and also 1 2 3 divided by 1 column. The given matrices are equal. Corresponding elements also equal. Then x plus y plus z is equal to 9, and also x plus z is equal to 5. Then y plus z is equal to 7. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Substituting 3 in 1, that is x plus 7. Then y plus z is equal to 7. Y plus z is equal to 7 is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 minus 7. Therefore x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in 2. Then 2 plus z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5 minus 2. We get z is equal to 3. Then z is equal to 3 in 3. Then y plus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore y is equal to 7 minus 3. Then y is equal to 7 minus 3, 4.